All right, yo, what's going on? This is Busy the Broker Breaker, and today I'm going to teach you how to trade ascending channels the broker breaker way. And basically, I know me and Steven Cylinder been getting a lot of questions about the lender broker breaker strategy, and this is what I'm gonna kind of talk about. So I kind of got a little draw up here on what you would see in a case of an ascending channel. So ascending channel, as you know, is a key reversal pattern in the market. But everybody always asks, how do you trade it? So let's get right down to it. This is my trading view, and I just did a markup on one of the charts that I have here. This is an ascending channel right here. Basically, price is going to reverse and turn around. So there's one or two ways to trade this. At the top of this channel, you can right click, add alert on trend line, once per bar, notify you on your app that price is crossing the trend line. And again, notice I'm on the 4 hour getting this analysis done. So every time price hits here, it alert me on my phone that price is coming here. Okay, so you can get your sell entry there, let it come down here. If it doesn't break out the bottom of this, like over here, take profit. When let it come back up, get another sell entry. And mainly what you're waiting on is a breakout. And again, you have an ascending channel with divergence. All divergence is your price action is going one way, like this ascending channel is going up, ascend up, and your MACD is coming down gracefully. It means price action is turning around. So since most people don't know when to sell it here, you would actually sell at the top of this line. I marked it green. Or you could wait for this breakout. That's a breakout bearish flag. And notice where you got the MACD retest right here. You got the retest. And once you start to see this flat momentum shade back and pull back, and notice that this retest actually pulled back to the bottom of this channel. Notice it pulled back almost in this engulfing zone right here. See your candle right here, pull back into the zone. And notice when you see your momentum on your MACD start to shift down, that's when you could have took your sell. Notice you got this engulfing candle right here, and that was your sell down. So even if you miss the ascending channel, if price breaks out and it's truly a breakout, it will give you a flag. Again, you can wait and take the sell once you get all the confirmations. Again, you got an ascending channel, one confirmation. You got heavy divergence, two confirmations. You got a breakout of the channel, hard breakout, three confirmations right there. You see your MACD momentum shift. Wait for the retest. You got a retest right here on that flag. And once price started to come back down, well, then you pretty much caught your nice sell. And that is how you trade an ascending channel.